Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given in a particular year a car costs $87,000, so this will be my original value, which later on you would see we are comparing with this quite a lot of times. In April of that year, the price increased to $95,700, and therefore we are required to find the percentage increased. Yeah? So part A is pretty straightforward of this question. Percentage increase is simply equals to, if we refer to the top right hand corner of this video, then we could then see that percentage increase is simply the increase over the original multiplied by 100%. Okay, so this one, percentage increase, we will have that. And therefore, to find the increase, we would then have to calculate that, isn't it? So that would then be the 95,700. I will need to minus away my original. So I know how much the price have increased, and I will need to divide by the original. Before I multiply by 100%, do take note that percentage is always at the end, and when I key into the calculator, I would be keying in this as a fraction multiplied by 100. This will give me a value of 10%. Now, as we move on to part B, the price decreased, and therefore we will need to find the percentage decrease as compared to the original value. So using the same formula, but the only thing that is different will be the decrease. We are still going to divide by the original value. We are still going to multiply by 100%. And thus, for this particular part B, it is largely similar. However, because it is a decrease, I will have to use the original value minusing the new value of 71,775. We are still going to divide by the original value, then we multiply by 100%, and again the percentage stays. That means the percentage symbol is still there. When I key into my calculator though, I will be keying in this as a fraction with the numerator as the increase, which is $87,000 minus 71,775 over 87,000 multiplied by 100, and that will give me 17.5%. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.